A blind date. I've got a date for you.
Oh, really?
Are you interested?
Maybe. What is she like?
She's got a great personality.
Oh. That means that she's fat and ugly.
She's cute.
Okay, so she's not ugly. She's just fat.
She weighs 98 pounds.
Okay, she's not fat. So what's the problem with her?
Who said there's a problem with her?
The problem is she has no problems. She's too good for me.
Conversation 2.
Let's have a dinner.
I think you're very pretty.
Thank you.
Would you have dinner with me?
I would like to.
Can I pick you up Friday night?
What time?
8 o'clock.
That sounds great.
We'll go to a French restaurant.
I've never been to a French restaurant.
I think you'll love the food.
I'm not going to eat any snails.
Conversation 3. Blue eyes. You have pretty eyes.
Thank you. So do you.
I wish my eyes were blue.
What's the matter with green eyes?
Nothing, except my favorite color is blue.
Maybe in your next life you'll have blue eyes.
But what if I'm a fish in my next life?
I think some fish have blue eyes.
I hope I don't come back as a fish.
I hope I come back as a cat.
Cats have beautiful eyes.
I would love to have blue cat eyes.
Conversation 4. True love. I love you.
I love you, too.
I loved you the first day I saw you.
It was love at first sight?
Yes, it was love at first sight.
I didn't love you at first.
I know. I had to chase you for a while.
Yes, you chased me and then you caught me.
Now you're mine forever.
And you're mine forever.
We'll grow old together.
And be happy together.